If you've been scrolling through Amazon UAE trying to find a successful product to sell, stop. In the next few minutes, in this particular video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways, different ways, to find successful products to sell on Amazon. Trust me, you want to watch the video till the end because the third way is something very new and I'm sure you've never heard about this tool before. So let's get started. Number 1, Amazon's bestsellers list. Amazon itself shows you the best-selling products on the platform. So why do you need to reinvent the wheel? How does it work? We simply go to amazon.ae. Let's log in together. We go to the bestsellers page and we scroll through the endless amount of products. Now, as you will notice, there are departments or categories on Amazon. And then there's subcategories, and then there's subcategories, and then there's subcategories. So there's a lot of information that you can look at. So as an example, these are the top 3 products under the tools and home improvement. Let's click on see more. And then now we can look at all of the additional subcategories. Let's choose lighting fixtures. And now I can see all of the products under lighting fixtures. Let's look at storage and home organization. Now I can see some additional subcategories under storage and home organization. Let's see if we can find some more. What if we click on tool organizers? Now we can see even more categories under tool organizers. So I think you understand what I'm getting to. There are a lot of products that you can see right on the Amazon platform. You can identify which ones are best sellers and go through the process to try to assess whether or not you want to sell those products. It's easy to find these types of products, of course, but you certainly need some more information to try to assess whether or not you should sell these products. So let's take it a step forward and let's talk about our second method or our second tool. But hold on, before we talk about this, as always, let me introduce you to the channel. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are an Amazon certified service provider and we offer services and support for sellers on Amazon UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. We're a full team of Amazon experts. If you're looking for advice on ads, if you're looking for support with listing optimization, video creation, anything related to the Amazon platform, we would love to work with you one-on-one and directly support you. Reach out to us, book a call with the team, our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find it also linked in the description box of this video. So method number 2, utilize a tool like Helium 10. In this Amazon business, there's so many tools that you can use if you want to work smarter and not harder. Helium 10 being a very important tool in your toolkit. By the way, Amazon Sellers Society is partnered with Helium 10. So if you want to get 20% off your Helium 10 membership, you will find the details of the discount code linked in the description box of this video. Make sure that you use it. Helium 10 is not one tool, it's actually a suite of tools. But for our video today, and because we're talking about product research, we're gonna be talking about Black Box. So you find Black Box in Helium 10. You can search via products or keywords. I would suggest that you do it via keywords, so let's click there. After that, you need to make sure that you select the right marketplace, in this case, Amazon UAE. And then you've got a lot of filters to go through. The main filter that I would suggest for you to use would be the search volume, because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that whatever product you want to sell has a lot of demand. So I'm gonna say the minimum search volume I want is 300. For Amazon UAE, it's quite okay. And then the category, you can select whatever category you want. Let's say I want beauty, which is not an easy category. Then you can add a lot of other things depending on what you want. You can also add, for example, I want the minimum price to be 50 dirhams. I don't want to sell anything cheaper than that. You can also select things like what is the shipping size tier if you want to make sure that you don't spend a lot of money on FBA. But I would suggest to keep your filters, don't utilize a lot of filters because you want to get as many results as possible. And then after that, you click on search. And there you go. Once you click on search, Here, because we're doing search over keywords, so Helium 10 is going to give us keywords. We're not looking for exact products. So Kerastase serum is technically a product, but Kerastase sells so many serums. So Kerastase serum is not something that I'm going to be selling because Kerastase is a brand. Versace perfume doesn't work. La Roche-Posay. Tree Hut, I'm not actually sure what that is. First of all, I can see the details. The search volume is 305. I can click here and see the details of the search volume over a long period of time. The average selling price is 56 dirhams. Monthly sales is around 37. 1,900 dirhams in revenue. But I honestly have no clue what this product is. I'll just click on view on Amazon and it seems to be a brand. So if people are searching for this product via the brand Tree Hut, it's certainly not something that I want to do, especially that, we talk about private label selling here on the channel. And there you go. Most of the things that we're finding are actually brands, but this is not an actual brand. The other ones, La Roche-Posay, all of them are brands. So cleansing balm is not a brand. Perfume is not a brand. Cleansing balm is a keyword. 387 search volume, not bad. Perfume, 594. Women, perfume. As you can notice, a lot of people search using the wrong keywords, so that's absolutely fine. Women's fragrances, look at the difference between, perfume and women's fragrances. This gives you an idea of how people search for products. And sometimes if you look at the wrong keyword, you might think that the product doesn't have demand. So there you have it. You can see what products have demand, and then you can follow the system to try to find out what you want to sell. And tool number 3, ASIO.com. Such a unique website, and I'm sure this is the first time you're hearing about it. This is an AI-powered tool, which is developed in collaboration and partnership with Alibaba that can help you find products that are in demand and also find suppliers for these products utilizing the power of AI. So as you can see here, I logged into it and I decided to find products that are trending. So what I wrote is home decor products in demand, and I clicked the search. And now I'm finding lots of different products. I can find top products and market analysis. I think this is an interesting product, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you some additional information that it's going to provide. So it's providing me the top products so these are not top products on Amazon. As you can see here, data from similar products on the world's largest e-commerce platform, which is also, of course, Amazon. But in general, this is not just for Amazon UAE or anything like that. So I'm seeing the wholesale prices, what is the estimated revenue increase month on month, sales trend. So I can see information that is very relevant, but not necessarily just on Helium 10, what we saw. We're also interested to see some information about what people really like, natural linen fabric, fringed edges design, and can be used indoor and outdoor, and why these products. Other products as well, other different designs as well, and we can see what things people really like. We can also click on market analysis to try to understand the market more. I believe this part, which is the product insights, is very valuable because it's going to give you some information about what people really like. And then what you can do is you can just click on source similar products. Now the AI is going to start searching and finding suppliers in the same exact, suppliers, most of them on Alibaba. It's going to just show me all of these suppliers without me having to log in on Alibaba, just giving me information about each and every supplier. Alternatively, you can use ASIO just to find high quality suppliers. So I can log in here and I can say, there's a lot of recommendation. Let's say that multi-purpose extension ladder. I can utilize a lot of different, of course, you can add as much information that you want so that it can filter down the suppliers that you need. And it can show you all of the suppliers from Alibaba directly without you having to do it from Alibaba. So it's a little bit more smarter than what Alibaba normally does because it is AI powered. You can use it very much similar to how you would use ChatGPT. So as you can see here, I gave it like a very unique prompt. I want a home decor item for decorating during Ramadan to be sold in UAE and Saudi. Product also needs to be eco-friendly. This type of search, you can't do it on Alibaba because Alibaba is just a regular search engine, doesn't have the AI power. As you can see, I'm getting lots of different products that probably adhere to what I requested from ASIO. So now you know, and if you don't know, it's probably because you're not subscribed to the channel. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, like this video, leave me your comments and your questions in the comment section down below. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. We want to create content that helps and supports you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.